All right, YouTube. So what's going on? I'm going to teach you guys how to play one of my favorite styles of passing chords. So you know how you're playing a song, right? And then you want to get back to your one chord, right? So I'm in the key of D right now. So I want to get back to the one chord. So typically you'll do a 2, 5, 1. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do a single passing chord. I like the style. You just bear with me. I like the style of just doing a single passing chord for like slower songs, and that makes it more dramatic. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys the progression we're gonna do, and if you guys want me to do this progression in all 12 keys, let me know. Just comment below. Hey, can you do this in all 12 keys? I'll redo a video and give you each chord, each note for all 12 keys. So here's going to be the progression. Then after the progression, I'll give you guys the passing chords we're going to do. So we're going to start on our one chord, but we're going to play an add two. So D, A, add two. Left hand's playing D, A, right hand's playing. And then the chord we're going to land on is B minor 9. Okay. Left hand is playing B, F sharp. My right hand's playing. Okay. So A, D flat, D, F sharp. Okay. So if you don't know how to find this note, it's real easy. Just play a B minor, add 2, and just move this B down a whole step. That's how you find minor 9s. And then play the root position in your left hand. Okay. So B minor 9, and then we're going to go to a minor 5, okay? This is the fifth note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth note is typically major, but in this case, with this progression we're doing, I'm going to play a minor instead of a major because I like the way it sounds. It sounds dramatic, and that's what I like. I'm all about the drama. All right, so we're going to play a minor 7 as our 5 chord. Okay, and then we're gonna go to a G major 7. Okay, G, D in the left. My right hand's playing G, B, D, F sharp. Okay, so let me give you the chords. So we're gonna go 1 to the 6 to the 5 to the 4. Now we're gonna just do single passing chords in between. Okay. Now, what I'm talking about, let me give you what I would typically do in like a regular song if I'm doing passing chords. So, right, if I'm trying to land on this chord right next, which is our next chord that we're trying to get to, if I'm trying to land there, I typically would do something like, let's see. Okay, that's something I typically would probably do, like a double passing chord, but we're not going to do that. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're just going to make it smooth like that. Okay? Just that smooth. Okay? And then okay, those are the passing chords we're going to do in between. All right, so on our first chord, D major, add 2. Then all we're going to do is move my left hand to F sharp. And then we're going to remove this F sharp right here off. And remove this D off. And we're going to play this B. That's it. Okay? That's our passing chord. Okay, so we're going to go from 2 and then land on our B minor 9. Then we're going to keep the B minor 9 in our right hand, take off B and F sharp, and just play F sharps in the left. To our 6th chord. Right? Our 6th chord is A, E in the left, G, C, E, G in the right. And then I play it like this. You can change up the inversion, but I like playing it like this because all I have to do from my 6th chord to play my passing chord is move my thumb. Just move my thumb in my right hand to this F sharp, and then I'm playing D's in the left to land on my 4 chord. Okay? And then that's it. And then actually that's not it. Then we do our passing chord to get back to the start. And our passing chord is, you see in my right hand, this is my right hand. All I'm doing is moving the B, the D down a half step. That's it. And from that point on, I'm hitting a A. So we go, and I'm hitting a A in my left hand. Then back to the start. Boom, that's it. So comment below if you guys want me to do a full tutorial on all 12 keys. I'll give you guys the chords. I'll give you guys the notes. I'll go a little slower too if you guys want. If I'm going too fast, just let me know. But I'm back. I got my setup back. I found a better piano just using GarageBand. I was struggling, so I haven't been dropping videos because I was like, the content, the quality is not that great. So I'm still working on the quality, guys. Bear with me. We're going to get better. We're going to grow, and I'm going to try to drop as much content as I can for you guys for free. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. All right, see you.